Alright, well, what the BBC is going on here?
Yeah.
And I was just like, okay, well, it's alright, you know, it's whatever, people do that sometimes. I almost bashed somebody on the bloody plane, but anyway, you know, protective wife over here.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine, yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye, yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Hi guys.
Wagwan.
So we're here, we're walking to the 12 Apostles now.
Yeah, man.
And just the lookout, and yeah.
Yeah, it's loaded with people, so you can tell it's a place that people comes a lot.
Come a lot, yeah.
Yeah, so
definitely.
we're gonna check it out, and you guys will get to see it, you know, firsthand.
For sure.
So stick around. Yeah. Nah, I got like cool. Tracy sun out, it cool.
Oh, that is so beautiful.
Oh wow.
Wow.
That is amazing.
It's a low flying one though.
Wow.
Wow.
Why don't you see people down there? So I'm guessing there's no way of people getting down there. Probably that's the reason.
I think people do manage to get down there, but
yeah.
Or maybe there isn't a way to get down there.
Probably hikers. People that come down and rope. But that's beautiful.
Let's go down.
Yeah.
Lovely, absolutely.
Yeah, man. Yeah, this view is epic, man. There's some birds down there. I'm gonna try zooming.
Yeah, Mum said get heaps of footage.
Yeah. Wow, I think I see a turtle. There's a dark spot right over there if it comes up again. Or it's probably a rock, I don't know. Wow, it's beautiful.
Absolutely. It's beautiful.
Beautiful, man. Yeah, I've never seen views like these up from the ocean. It's mad.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I'm here just looking for fish down there, like.
Yeah, babe, straight up fish.
Like I just.
You can see.
Yeah, because the view is good.
No, honestly, we won't fly a drone.
Yeah.
There's no other helicopter now. When it comes, we just fly it low.
You have seats here, you can just sit as well.
Chill.
Yeah. It's mad. Beautiful day as well. Sun is out. Should I miss that one?
We'll go down to the other one, Gibson Steps.
Yeah.
No. The one in the car where all those cars were.
Oh yeah.
I think that's all another place too.
Let's see.
So this is Portland here. That's where we're here now.
Yeah.
If we drive more, we'll get there.
Yeah.
Much we've driven. See guys, we were here, Geelong, and then we took the coastline all the way through.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sweet. Next time we're gonna travel all the way through.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Look at birdies.
Nice.
So we go into another section of this coastline here.
Guys, this is beautiful. Just being here is just really nice.
Yeah, man.
So we're gonna go check out the Thunder Cave
Yeah.
and see where it takes us.
Yeah.
We like these kind of things.
Yeah, man.
History here. So this is a thin line between life and death for the plants and animals at this park. Shelters caught between land and sea. Naturally preserved.
I love the view though, I'm not gonna lie. Unstable cliffs. Keep designated walking tracks and lookouts at all times.
But I'm just thinking, if you fall off those cliffs, right, and you land in the sand, do you reckon you'll still die?
Of course. Your
But
body
the sand,
weight.
The sand is soft.
Yeah, but remember you're coming down with weight. It's okay. Even if you drop in the water, the pressure that you're coming down with, it's a lot, you know.
I just thought because the sand will save you,
Nah.
and then you get to swim in the ocean.
Probably be safe, but at the same time, ton cabbage. You know what I mean? So yeah, for real.
Anyways, I know. No question is a stupid question.
Yeah, true. See where they are walk down the gravel road, yeah.
Yeah.
What is over here, sir?
Where's crashing in that?
What are these?
Probably just them trying to preserve some plantations. Like plants.
This one is oh, there's a hole down there.
Where? Huh?
Yeah, the water splashing, it's the ocean. It's like a deep hole. Yeah, look. I can't see it yet, but
Yeah. You want to get the drone out? It's like a blue hole. Wow.
you can't see it, but we are go.
Right, we're going to get the drone out for you guys.
Yeah. So this is another part. Wow, look at the beach under the cave right there. Look at that beach, man. So secluded. Yeah, that look mad. This place is absolutely beautiful.
Absolutely beautiful, guys. I'm running a drone through this, sorry. I don't care. These are my memories.
Like imagine have a boat, you just have a little bit of sand, but it's so just like secluded.
Right there, like,
That mud.
seriously get some nice fish.
Yeah, this place must be full of fish, man.
Wow, this is absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, guys, so we stop at this alpaca.
Yeah.
This is called, yeah, so.
Yeah.
And look what we found. Jamaican.
George chocolate.
Jamaican jerk.
And yeah, we found.
Sauce.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's a pretty nice place.
Everything alpaca and chocolate,
Yeah,
sauces, jams, you name it. They've got Jamaican jerk salt. Yeah. Oh, wow.
Carolina Reaper salt.
That's weird. I've never heard of Jamaican jerk salt. Does anybody know what that is?
I've never seen that one.
Do you reckon we should grab one? Just to try it out. Tomato relish. They've got like a whole range of products, guys. They've got like a whole range of stuff here, guys. So if you want good things. Oh wow, got a loose leaf. Got some really good things. Absolutely. Lollies for the kiddies, toys.
Yeah, we're looking at those ones. They're so fluffy.
Yeah, they're absolutely beautiful. We'll get to show you guys the alpacas outside as well. And they have some beautiful carved handmade wooden boards. So got a range of products, guys. Definitely a place to come down and get your goodies. Lots of chocolates, lots of little ornaments and things to take home. Beautiful tablecloths and kids' books. Oh, little alpaca book. Lovely. Fairly well priced as well. And I think they even do food here, guys. Got little blankets and warm alpaca.
For the yard, yeah?
For the yard, definitely.
Definitely the roosters.
They've got alpaca scarves, alpaca, Peruvian, everything. Lovely. Oh, it feels so good. Definitely worth the price. I'd pay $100 for something like that. And it must get really cold here in winter.
Yeah, we got all the winter clothes.
Lovely. Beautiful, guys. A nice little seating area for the kids and that. Alright, we better stop because we're going to get copyrighted. Hi! Hey! Hello!
Alpacas for sale.
Alpacas for sale, guys, too, if you're looking for alpacas for all the Australian. Look at the baby. The little baby one there.
So they kind of similar for like the sheep.
Come, let's touch this one. Hopefully it doesn't run away. Yeah. Hey. Hey. Hello. This one okay? Hey. Hello. Oh, they're so sweet. Look, babe. Coffee and white.
Oh yeah.
White coffee. Hi.
Oh, get the picture. It's so soft.
Hello. They don't bite.
I don't know, but this one
Hey.
I love to touch.
Hey.
Oh, it's so cute.
Hello.
Yeah, but
They're so soft, huh?
oh, it's so much fur. This keeps them really warm, man. Look at that.
Hi.
Oh.
Oh, hi. Wow, they're so thick in fur, guys. Hi. Hi.
That's wicked.
Wow. And this one?
Oh.
Hi. You right? Are you sick, Papa? Oh, it's alright, Eileen.
I won't be grabbing it.
Cute, no?
So they get all the bush just
Hi.
like all tangled in their
In their
fur.
hair, yeah. Hi, I think this one's not well. Hi. Hey. Hello. Where are your beautiful eyes? Hi. Hey. Hey, beautiful. Hey. Oh my gosh, come look at the teeth. Hi.
You don't bite, do you?
No.
It's smelling. It's smelling.
Wow.
It literally like sniffed a while ago.
He likes you, babe. Or she likes you. Me no know. Probably a she. You like the dark ones like me, huh?
What the hell? Oh my god.
Hi! Come here. Come here. Come here, boo-boo. Come.
She's like, who are you?
Exactly. Shut up, you bloody person. Oh, they're so cute, babe. I think I want one. I'm gonna buy you. Hey. Hello. Hola. ¿Habla español? ¿Sabe? ¿Entendés? ¿De dónde te sacaron a vos? ¿De dónde te llevaron? De Perú, ¿no? ¿Eh? ¿De dónde? Sos hermosa, ¿eh? Mira, ¿dónde están los ojos? No te veo los ojos, che. ¡Ey, bonita! ¡Sos hermosa! Me encanta tu pelo. Yes, I love your
So
hair.
many different colors.
Absolutely.
There's the black one.
And the funny thing is, the only two that came up was the brown and the white one.
Yeah.
They represent us.
Yeah.
Couple of the year. Couple of forever.
So I'm guessing these are the younger ones, so they're in here.
Yeah.
I'm assuming.
Yeah.
Those ones over there look much bigger.
Definitely. Huge. Aren't they beautiful? Oh, shuku shuku. Hi. I just love the fur, babe.
Yeah.
Hi. So thick. Alright, okay, alright, I know. That feels good, doesn't it? It feels good, doesn't it? It feels good. Tickle, tickle. Oh, he loves it. Oh, guys. I really would love an alpaca. You want an alpaca?
Yeah.
But we can't take it on the plane. We've got to go.
Yeah, I'll show it in a storage room on the plane.
They're so cute, guys. So they're selling alpacas. So if you're into them and you live in Australia, obviously, yeah, you can raise some alpacas out here.
Yeah.
All right, guys, stay cool. Love it. We better get going because we're going to be late.
Yeah. So that's the name of the place. Well, you can't really see it, but it's called George Chocolate. George Chocolates.
As soon as they went, the white one ran away. Got up and left.
Yeah.
Oh, she loved us. Oh, cheese, yum. You know I love cheese, guys. We gotta go. It's like
Yeah, we're running on time.
Yeah, we're running a little bit out of time.
Yeah, what's the time? Oh, there's plenty more alpacas down there. Yeah, so we bought Bobo the alpacas chocolate. You know what I mean? But we're gonna try one of them and see it. Yeah, man.
You're gonna try and see what it tastes like.
Yeah.
You do the honors, my love. Oh my gosh. If this is the chocolate, oh my gosh, it smells so much like the chocolate in Argentina. Oh my goodness, yum. Oh my goodness, yum, guys. Oh wow.
It's nice one.
It's nice, eh?
Just try the chocolate, but
Chocolate nice or swap? Swap. Hang on a second, mister.
what? What the hell? They're both nice.
Hang on, baby. Oh wow.
Good.
Now that, my friends, is pure chocolate. Absolutely pure. If you don't eat chocolate, too bad for you. so we just landed in the Gold Coast, so we still got about an hour and a half drive, something like that. And Babe's got a story to tell you guys. I almost bashed somebody on the bloody plane, but anyway, you know, protective wife over here. So yeah, anyway, do you want to tell him?
Yeah, so this woman was she was much older, and she was literally like leaning over to me, like sleeping on
his shoulder.
my shoulder. And then after she wake up and she started talking, we realized it's like she was on drugs or something.
Yeah.
You know, because the way she started talking, and even the flight attendant started laughing when they
Well, at first,
like earlier.
At first, the flight attendant came and moved her.
I think we're kind of shaking.
Okay. At first, the flight attendant came and moved her out of Babe's way because she's obstructing his privacy, basically.
Yeah.
And she was laughing, and I was just like, you know, you better get her off before I bloody box somebody out. Anyway, so the lady picked her up, moved her.
Yeah.
And then straight after that happened, she went fall back asleep again.
At my shoulder.
I'm back on Babe's shoulder, and I'm like, well, what the BBC is going on here?
Yeah.
And I was just like, okay, well, it's all right, you know, it's whatever. People do that sometimes.
Yeah, but
then she woke up and she goes, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Have I been sleeping on your shoulder?
Yeah.
And I was just like, yes, beep, you have been.
Yeah.
And then she started talking to us because we realized she had a Jamaican
bracelet and Rastafarian bracelet on.
And she told us that she got them in Europe. Then after that, we weren't interested in a conversation anymore. Yeah. Because we realized she was on something like.
Yeah, she started moving very weirdly.
Talking funny.
Talking funny, everything. So we picked up that she was on something. And the husband was kind of like, you know, trying to play it off to make her not look that way.
So when they got off the plane, he quickly grabbed her and they kept walking fast.
Yeah. She can't even walk properly. Yeah.
But guys, look, these things happen, and you know, Babe kept his composure and I kept mine by about that fraction. Yeah. But it's all good. I got donuts now, but they're not for me. They're for Bobo.
Yeah, man.
Krispy Kremes. Hey.
So we are head home.
Yeah.
So me gotta drive the rest of the journey.
Thank goodness.
You know what I mean? So yeah, that's what's up.
Babe's gonna drive and I'm gonna chill and
man. Save the vlog in here, guys.
Yeah.
I saw it there, me, so just want to give thanks for watching, and
for sure.
Hope you guys enjoyed the little trip, you know, to Geelong.
For real.
Yeah, man. So
thanks, guys, for joining us. You know,
man.
We always try and put, you know, content out there for you guys to enjoy with us as well.
For sure.
So yeah, big ups. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah,
you know
man.
you do.
Give us a thumbs up. You know what I mean, and drop a comment.
Drop a comment.
Yeah. Till next time.
Oh, real quick. The lady even asked for Babe's music channel.
Yeah.
So hey.
She followed me on Spotify. Yeah.
I said it's provider.
Yeah.
PROVYDAH.
You know what I mean?
Anyways, that's what's up.
Yeah, man.
For all you new subscribers, go over to Babe's channel and subscribe to.
Yeah.
Great artist.
Yeah.
Coming straight out of Jamaica.
New bangers forward soon. Stick around.
For real. Bye, guys.
Yeah, man. Blessings all the time.
Bless.